7 holds profound historical significance in the annals of Bharat and the global narrative, witnessing pivotal events that have left an indelible mark on history. So, let's delve into the historical tapestry of January 7. Elections were held for the first time in America on January 7, 1789. The special thing about this election was that only those who owned property had the right to vote. George Washington won the first election and was sworn in as the first president of America on April 30, 1789. On January 7, 1990, the Leaning Tower of Pisa was closed to tourists for the first time. The tower was closed due to the danger of collapse. Afterward, it was reopened for tourists in 2001. It was reopened after 11 years of hard work and expenditure of $27 million. Talking about the history of this tower in Pisa, Italy, it is also called the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Regarding this minaret, it is believed that despite being tilted at an angle of 5 degrees from its axis, this minaret is standing perfectly intact. It withstood several powerful earthquakes but was never damaged. It is said that the construction of this tower started in 1173 and the work continued for 200 years. Bernardo Pisano is credited with designing the Leaning Tower of Pisa. When you can access high-speed internet on your mobile phone, tablet or laptop through Wi-Fi, have you ever wondered who invented Wi-Fi? Let us tell you. American-Serbian inventor Nikola Tesla is known as the father of Wi-Fi. He died on January 7, 1943 in New York. Nikola Tesla was one of the few great scientists of the century who changed the entire history of mankind. He could solve even the most difficult mathematical problems in his own mind. Nikola Tesla made many inventions in his life. It includes inventions like the electric motor, X-ray technology, radio, AC current. Bollywood actress Deepika Padukone took part in a protest at Jawaharlal Nehru University on January 7, 2020. There, Deepika had openly supported leftist students. During this, Deepika had even said that she is proud of the fact that today, people are raising their voice without fear. Kanhaiya Kumar also participated in this protest. According to media reports, Deepika Padukone had gone to join the protest for the promotion of her film, Chhapak. This film was made at a cost of Rs 50 crore, but it failed to recover its cost. This film had earned only 55.44 crore rupees at the box office. On January 7, 1981, Indian chess grandmaster Krishnan Shashikaran was born in Chennai. Shashikaran achieved the title of Grandmaster in Commonwealth Championship in the year 2000. In 2001, he won the prestigious Hastings International Chess Tournament. At the same time, Shashikaran won the Relton Winners' Cup title of chess in 2020-21. He defeated Russian Grandmaster Alexander Shimanov 2-0 in the final match of this competition.